Let's talk sunscreen. This is new from L'Oreal. It's an SPF 50. I love finding drugstore SPF 50s because they're kind of few and far between. It's called Bright Reveal because it contains vitamin C as well, which can help reduce dark spots and pigmentation. I love the packaging. This is what it looks like. It is serum texture. This is not what I would consider watery. This is actually quite emollient. It does say it leaves a dewy finish, which is not something I particularly like, unless they mean matte and dewy. It definitely feels slightly greasy. That's what I tend to find with dewy finishes. I definitely would just prefer a hydrating sunscreen that leaves your skin hydrated with water versus leaving a layer of dew on the skin. Because this is a chemical sunscreen, I'm not going to use this around my eyes. And then I always apply on the back of my hands as well. There's a slight white cast in it. That might go away if I were to rub it in a little bit better. See how my skin has that luminosity? That is not something that I look for. I do not like this sensation of what the girls call dew on the skin. So I rate this like a 7.5 out of 10.